guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be teaching you three types of major 251 that I know in key of C. Please, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more information. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So in the key of C major, in terms of scale, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the first 251 that I know sound like this. Right, so we have 2, 5, 1, right? So the 2 chord, we have some type of D minor 9, and then 5, G dominant 13th, and then 1 major 9, right? C major 9. So the other thing is the way you can think about it on 2 chord, it's just like a D, and right hand side we have like F and major 7, right? You see? So that's the quickest way you can think about it, right? 2, right? And then 5, we're simply moving one note here, which is C. As you can see, just gonna bring it here, right? So bass note is going to play a G, right? So we have like a 5 chord there. So by simply taking one note and bringing it down, right? Like we have a 5 chord, right? So 2, 5, 1. All right, let me show you how you can apply it in a song. Like in a song, it will sound like this. So I'm gonna play and then I'll show you where I apply it, right? So right, so like I feel within God, I feel, see, so I feel in God, right? So as you can see, I used 251 there. I feel in God. So 2, 5, 1, right? So that's how it sounds like. So the second major 251 that I know, it sounds like this. Right? So we have some type of D minor 7, and then here we have like E over G, right, as a 5 chord. So the other thing is you have to know that in terms of scale or major 251 on 2 chord, we have some type of minor chord. The 5 chord, we have some type of dominant chord, and then to the 1 we have like a major chord, right? So yeah, so we have 2, 5, 1. So like on 2 we have some type of D minor 7. 5 we have like E over G, right? So 1 we still have a C major 9, right? So like in a song, so all right, the quickest so like the way you can think about it, we have like F, right? So we know that this is like root position, so and then here first inversion, right? So we have on 2, we have, it's like we are playing F over D, right? So which makes it to be like D minor 7, right? So on 5, you have E over G, right? So we're just moving like from F and we're moving chromatic down, right? Like that. 2, 5, and then 1, right? So 5, 1, right? So let's try in a song. Let me show you how to apply in a song. So right, you see, have faith in God, have faith in God, right? So that's how it sounds like. So one more time, have faith in God, have faith in God. Yeah, so sometimes I like to play my one like, right? All right, so the last major 251 that I know, we have like a tritone substitution in it. So this is how it sounds like: 2, 5, 1, right? 5, 1. So 2, 5, 1, right? So we have here on 2 chord, and then 5, and then 1, right? So like in a song, let's try the same song. Let's see how is it going to work. So have faith in God, have faith in God. Have faith in God, have faith in God. So you can always change the chord according to the mode of the song. So this is just like a standard way on how to play them, right? If you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share for more information.